Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Networking Instant-On AP32. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The AP32 is the first HPE Networking Instant-On access point offering connectivity in the 6 GHz spectrum. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your installation, configuration and safety guide, startup guide, and safety compliance and warranty information. Here's the access point. We will have a closer look at it later. Let's first see what else is in the box. We have a 3-in-1 mounting bracket. It is designed for fixing onto a standard 14 or 24 mm suspended ceiling T-bar, as well as onto flat surfaces by using the 2 pre-drilled holes. Also included is a 1.5 meter Ethernet cable, which is handy if you want to get started quickly and connect the AP to your network. There is nothing else in the box. Now let's have a look at the AP itself. On the front is a removable sticker with the serial number, MAC address, and a claim code, and 2 LED status lights. On the back and recessed on the side is the Ethernet port and a power socket. The power supply can be ordered separately if required. There's a console port and a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. And here is the Kensington security slot. To mount the AP, once the mounting bracket has been installed, you can simply rotate and click the AP into place. To release, squeeze the clips inwards and rotate anti-clockwise. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!